जितने इंग्लिश टीचर्स होते हैं ना जनरली सर्टिफाइड एंड हु आर गिविंग सो मच ऑफ गुड नॉलेज इवन इन इंस्टाग्राम, वो शायद दे आर बॉर्न इन द फैमिलीज जहाँ इंग्लिश एनवायरनमेंट है.
I never participated in any declamation, never in any debate. You know, the fun element for my college friends as well, nothing like that. So I would say I've proved myself to be the dark horse of my school.
आई थिंक वो जिद थी.
I didn't want to prove myself to anyone. I just wanted to work on myself.
फर्स्ट लेसन फॉर द पेरेंट्स इज
The first mistake that parents make, they say कि अच्छा मैम कितनी देर का कोर्स है, 2 महीने में इंग्लिश आ जाएगी. When I have to tell them, if you want to do it for a month, don't invest. एक्सपोजर दो स्क्रीन टाइम से. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अमेरिकन टीवी शो देखा हमने और हमें कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, तीसरे दिन बंद कर दिया. नो, नहीं समझ में आ रहा, कंटिन्यूसली वॉच दैम. अब बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ये बोलते हैं आप मेरा बच्चा में इतनी बुक्स ला के देते हो वो रीड नहीं करता. आपको साथ में बैठना पड़ेगा और आपको रीड करना पड़ेगा. वो सिर्फ 1 पेज पढ़ेगा, वो छोटा बच्चा है. आपको बाकी के 5 पेजेस उसको पढ़ के सुनाने पड़ेंगे.
Hi everyone. So today we have with us an inspiring story. The one born in Thet Punjabi family, then went to a Punjabi medium school and then shifted to an English medium school. जहाँ पर अलग ही स्ट्रगल थी और उसको कैसे मैनेज किया. एंड फ्रॉम दिस टू सेल्टा सर्टिफाइड फ्रॉम कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड यहीं पर कहानी ख़त्म नहीं हुई. Now she is gone an extra mile to teach her own English teachers in her own English medium school. Isn't that amazing? So today we have with us Shavi Jain. She is, I think, the talk of the town. Anyone who wants to learn, in fact, you know, hum bade bhi we look forward to ki really want to join Shavi too, so that we start speaking like her. So I think let's go straight to her. Hi Shavi, welcome to the show.
Thank you for the honor, and I feel the privilege to be here.
First of all, how do you feel being recognized and, you know, being talk of the town? How does it feel to be?
I think whenever somebody appreciates me, I keep my fingers crossed, you know, because I'm being very extremely grateful to whatever has happened. Of course, who doesn't like appreciation?
Of course.
I enjoy it thoroughly, but I always keep my fingers crossed because I want it to last.
Yeah.
You know, I want it to last. I want to, you know, keep inspiring people everywhere around me. And this is not what I planned to do actually in life. It just happened, and people are focusing on my journey, how I started and how it
True.
grew bigger. And it wasn't easy, I would say. And even if you have that fame and recognition, it's not that you've gained fame, it's okay, we can just, you know, sit down and relax. That's not going to happen. We have to meet the expectations of the people now. People have higher expectations
True.
from me. So I have to set the bar up. And it's all about consistency. You know, even if you have the fame, recognition, you are enjoying the, you know, people, whenever I go somewhere, people recognize me and they appreciate for whatever things I have been doing. And I'm focusing on just the work and delivering quality.
Wow.
And I'm not just giving up on that or just enjoying leisurely my fame. I am working consistently so that I can continue meeting the expectations of people, and the followers are gonna stay with me if they see me growing the ladder up.
Definitely. I think the only way to be, you know, consistent in the fame for that matter is to keep evolving and, you know.
Yes.
So that's, you are an
Yes.
example for it. Yeah. So
I truly feel that. And when you stay focused towards one thing, you know, I love doing what I'm doing right now. So it comes out of passion. It comes very
True.
naturally. And I
Right.
think that is something that is keeping me going as well. Irrespective, the fame is there, but it doesn't distract me from the actual goal that I have in my life or the purpose that I'm living my life for.
for that, you know, वो कामयाबी झक मार कर आती है पीछे. It's when you are passionate
Yes.
about doing
Yes, exactly.
what you have
Amir
to.
Khan has. I could
Nailed
not
it.
understand it then because it was my college time and that movie came. It inspired me within, but I can realize that when you're focused towards your goal so much,
True.
success and money just gonna flow.
Yeah.
You know, I'm doing my work.
You're doing
and
that.
rest of the things are just the byproduct of it.
That's so important. Actually, it is. So, your introduction says, that from that journey from Punjabi medium, from Punjabi board to English medium, then from
Yes.
certified from Cambridge International University and teaching online and offline as an international qualified speaker right here in this city. I mean, this is the journey is amazing. So, how was it easy? How was it?
So, I mean, if we talk about the journey, since I communicate with everyone in Punjabi at my place, even my brothers, even my cousins, even my childhood friends,
Wow.
it's very strange if we start speaking Hindi also. So,
Okay.
English is a faraway dream over there.
Okay.
So that's actually true. And then I never participated in any declamation, never in any debate. I was not a popular person in my school. This is in her. She can do it. Nothing like that. So I would say I've proved myself to be the dark horse of my school. Nobody expected me to do anything in life, and it just transformed me. I would say, I always thank God that at least He had put that stone in me to do something in life, to have a better purpose in your life and have a goal. So, and keep me in the phase of enlightenment. So I always absorbed things around me, and I worked on my personality rather than working on the education element. That's definitely very important.
True.
But working on your individuality is what has kept me going and reached the success that I have gained today. It's all about working on your own self. Even if you're taking education from anywhere,
True.
you're improving your personality, how it is contributing to your personality. The struggle was real because I have been the fun element for my college friends as well, because I was not fluent in English, or whenever I spoke it wasn't right. And even when I went to the UK, it was more like I was speaking, but I knew somewhere that I used to feel intimidated when there were a group of friends who were speaking so fluently. But I did not give up. I knew that staying with them is what is going to improve me. I understood the process of learning language. You have to stay in that environment and you have to be consistent. Anything, be it your fame, be it your success, be it your career, be it your learning journey, you have to be consistent for things. And I think I would like to add over here, that's the first mistake that parents make. I get so many calls and they say, कि अच्छा मैम कितनी देर का कोर्स है, 2 महीने में इंग्लिश आ जाएगी. That kind of perspective. And I have to tell them, if you want to do it for a month, don't invest. वो 1 महीने की भी फीस मत दो.
Right.
वो waste of time है. Because language learning is a journey.
True.
Even if you have become fluent, like today as well, अगर मैं fluent बन गई हूँ, मेरी Instagram पे reels viral जा रही हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मुझे English आती है, बहुत अच्छे से आती है. इतना सारा कंटेंट हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे मिलता है, यूट्यूब पे मिलता है, हम रिसर्च करते हैं, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी न्यू थिंग्स दैट आई
get to
स्टिल
learn
लर्न इवन
every
बीइंग अ
day.
कैम्ब्रिज सर्टिफाइड टीचर. डिक्शनरी तो नहीं बनाया उन्होंने मुझे.
True.
So in terms of everything, adding to my personality, the journey has been a struggle, but I did not let my challenges pressurize me or letting me give up. I remember when I went for my first teacher training seminar, I was literally shivering.
Okay.
Now I go and the energy is different because I knew when I will do it consistently,
It
बार बार करते रहेंगे
muscle
ना,
memory बन जाती है.
हाँ,
कि-
मेमोरी बन जाती है. तो मैं अपने आप को ट्रेन कर रही
Confidence
हूँ to go with the flow.
Because I always had this feeling कि जितने English teachers होते हैं ना, generally certified and who are giving so much of good knowledge even in Instagram, वो शायद they're born in the families जहाँ English environment है, probably they had love for this language, they were born in such sort of environment, and you break all that, that made up things in the mind we already have. So it is so, I think it was pure hard work of yours, your consistency. I think वो जिद थी कि अब तो मुझे वो करना ही है. So this is inspiring, honestly.
Yeah, I didn't want to prove myself to anyone. I just wanted to work on myself. And that's what
beautiful.
has led me
This
there.
is beautiful. I mean, such an important message. कि
Yeah.
किसी को prove नहीं करना. I just
I
want
just
to
want to
improve.
work on myself.
Yeah.
I want to be better version of me every single day I wake
Wow.
up. You know, it's not like that I don't have demotivating days. There are days like I feel like बस यहाँ से चले जाना है, बहुत हो गया. You know, I'm
Yeah.
tired and I'm exhausted. But the next day you find some inspiration and you do something in life that, you know, motivates you within that. चलते हैं ना, करते हैं ना, कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा है. So that's what happens. You know, most of the मेरे पास पेरेंट्स भी आते हैं कि हम ना हमारे घर में चलती नहीं है, एनवायरनमेंट ही नहीं है इंग्लिश का, कैसे करें करें. And I so feel the urge, you know, I can't tell my story to every single query that I get. You know, it's okay, आप चांस तो दो ने, टाइम तो दो ने. वो 3 महीने देखते हैं बच्चा इंग्लिश नहीं बोल रहा, गिव अप कर देते हैं. तो वहीं पे मैं कहती हूँ कि वो 3 महीने इन्वेस्ट किए भी आपके वेस्ट गए. इट्स अ प्रोसेस, इट्स गोना टेक लॉन्गर. और अगर कोई बच्चा मेरे पास 3 साल भी पढ़ गया है तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपको उसकी प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
True.
जब आपके घर में नहीं बोली जा रही है तो आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जहाँ पे आप उसको रेगुलरली जाके प्रैक्टिस कर सके हो. इट्स नॉट, लैंग्वेज लर्निंग इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट एक नया लेसन प्लान, एक नई चीज़ सीख ली, नई वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स आने चाहिए. इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट द प्रैक्टिस कि कई बार जाके सिर्फ वहाँ बैठ के हमने बोल के आना है, प्रैक्टिस करके आना है. एंड दैट्स वेयर यू मेंटेन योर लेवल. हर चीज़ की अगर हम जिम करना छोड़ देंगे तो वापस बॉडी वहीं पे फैलनी शुरू हो जाएगी.
Very right.
है ना. सो that's what the brain also works in the similar way. If you keep exposing yourself to language and keep practicing it, that's how you'll stay consistent in it.
Yeah.
Irrespective level up जा रहा है, level down जा रहा है, that really doesn't matter.
Yeah. So the first lesson for the parents is that it is not a time bound thing which is which will happen in like 2 months, 6 months, or in a year. You will give it to English और हमारा बच्चा एकदम ऐसे इंग्लिश बोलने लग
कोई
जाएगा.
मैजिक नहीं है, मैं जादू नहीं करती हूँ. I just
So even you learn every day. It's you try. So मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा जो intrigue कर रहा है ना, there must be some technique, some sort of what did you do from that Punjabi to English to that
Yeah.
fluent, और वो जो एक ट्रांजिशन था उसमें आपने क्या स्टेप्स लिए? आई
अच्छा, मैं ना सबको ये बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ कि जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा नेटिव लैंग्वेज सीखता है, दैट इज़ अबाउट लर्निंग हिंदी और पंजाबी. क्या आप उनको जाके बताते हो बेटा इस वर्ड का मीनिंग ये है ना? हम नहीं करते हैं. दे जस्ट नेचुरली अंडरस्टैंड, दे डिस्कवर द मीनिंग देमसेल्व्स. एंड वी फॉरगेट दैट प्रोसेस इन लैंग्वेज लर्निंग, इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज लर्निंग. स्कूल्स में भी हम वर्ड लर्न किया, मीनिंग लर्न किया, रट्टा मारा, लिख के आ गए. That is what we are doing wrong. Right. You have to focus that the child is naturally discovering the meanings themselves. The retention is going to get better. The brain, हम brain का उस corner को activate कर रहे हैं जो meanings खुद discover कर सकता है. अगर हम उसको spoon feed करेंगे ना, ये word है, ये meaning है, वो 2 दिन के लिए याद रहेगा जब तक एग्जाम नहीं हुआ.
True.
उसके बाद भूल जाएगा. But if you want the retention to happen for a longer, and it should come out in your flow as well, in your fluency as well. So this is one particular thing कि हमें ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अमेरिकन टीवी शो देखा हमने और हमें कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, तीसरे दिन बंद कर दिया. नो, नहीं समझ में आ रहा, कंटिन्यूसली वॉच दैम. I started with the interview shows. I loved watching, Coffee with Karan, I still do. And Rendezvous with Semi Garewal, Round Table. I was inclined towards Bollywood any which way. I've done my dissertation, by the way, in Bollywood.
Wow.
So I was inclined, and that's where the Bollywood celebrities, I would say, have helped me to gain my confidence and fluency. And मैंने ये चीज़ ना बड़ी जल्दी नोटिस कर ली थी कि जितनी ज़्यादा मैं इंग्लिश वीडियोस देखती हूँ ना, मेरे अंदर से बड़ी नेचुरली इंग्लिश निकलती है, चाहे वो ग्रामेटिकली सही नहीं थी. क्योंकि जितना सुना, लिसनिंग इज़ दैट स्किल, जितना सुना ब्रेन ने उतना एब्जॉर्ब किया और वो वही प्रोड्यूस करेगा जो ब्रेन ने एब्जॉर्ब किया है. तो मैंने भी वही किया. आई लव्ड वॉचिंग टेड टॉक्स. दे आर लाइक मेरी फेवरेट है, इंस्पायरिंग, एवरीथिंग, एंड यू लर्न समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आउट ऑफ इट. सो आई स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग दोज. तो मेरे इससे ऑटोमेटिकली इंग्लिश वैसी ही आती थी, बट ग्रामेटिकली सही नहीं आती थी. बट तो फिर मैंने क्या किया, टेंसेस के रूल्स लर्न किए. नो, आई नेवर गो विद द ग्रामर थिंग. आई हैड टू प्रैक्टिस इट. मैं जितनी ज़्यादा उसको प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी, जितने ज़्यादा कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश कर रही थी इंग्लिश में, अपने एरर्स खुद आइडेंटिफाई होने लग गए और वो करेक्शन में आ गए. Like I never made like notes or anything like that कि बड़े हमने ना notes बनाए हैं, ये grammar rule है, ये है, तो वो तो भूल ही जाएगा. रूल किसको याद रहता है बोलते वक्त, कि यहाँ पे वो सेकंड फॉर्म आना था, थर्ड फॉर्म. just with the practice, you have to continuously practice, and the more you listen, the more your brain will produce.
सो आप इसको अगर पेरेंट्स को अगर अपने बच्चों के परस्पेक्टिव से देखें तो हाउ शुड दे गिव द एनवायरनमेंट
So, especially in Ludhiana, we are exposed to Hindi Punjabi a lot, right?
true.
The families, they communicate. So, I tell them whenever they have their screen time, make sure that exposure is in English.
या
It's not that I have any hatred towards Hindi or Punjabi. I love those
course.
languages and I love conversing in them, and I feel no shame in talking in Punjabi in front of my class as well to my family. So I don't have any offense with any other language. If you want to be fluent in English, and that's a global language, why shouldn't be?
Yeah.
That gives us immense confidence to communicate in the world. So we should, I think, continuously work on this thing कि हमें उसको hatred नहीं करना है, but exposure जो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का मिसिंग है घर में
वो बढ़ाना है
सो दैट कैन हैपन थ्रू स्क्रीन टाइम. हु डजंट लव स्क्रीन? वी लिव इन अ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड
Yeah.
एंड वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स AI. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग टू चेंज व्हेन आवर किड्स आर गोइंग टू ग्रो अप. So why not use technology in a wiser way? And one particular thing that I followed with my daughter as well, and I've seen a tremendous change in her, not because I was conversing in English with her. No, I never did that. I always talked to her in Hindi. And my family also does the same. But she was exposed to English language by just reading. When she was
Okay.
6-7 months old, I started reading with her.
6-7 months
Old.
Wow.
Right? I started reading with her, maybe tiny stories. I enjoy books so much, I had that, and I always wanted her to build that habit. My husband doesn't read at all.
Right.
So I wanted this habit, and my in-laws used to say कि क्या ही समझ आता होगा, उसको 6 महीने की है तो बोलती रहती है. Like,
But
it's a subconscious mind, it's a subconscious mind that is helping her grow. And
Right.
that's what happened. I was doing literally a research on my daughter,
Yeah.
then how a language learning happens, and that's what I never focused on phonics with her. I wasn't Jolly Phonics trained then when she was born, and after 2-3 years, when it was her time to learn phonics, I had passed that stage, and after that I did Jolly Phonics and Jolly Grammar. But the thing that I followed with her was reading. And one methodology that I also adopted, I felt like I used to read her a story, maybe Snow White or Cinderella or many other books, I always kept exploring. I used to make her watch the same story on YouTube.
great, that too in English.
That too in English,
Of
right?
course.
So reading happened, she understood in bits and pieces.
Yeah.
But when she watched it, the visualization made it stronger. And the
undoubtedly.
same kind of language she started producing. She's fluent in English. She writes. She doesn't make mistakes in spellings, not much, until unless it's a very big word. So I think the strategy that I wanted to do with all my kids, all my students, I would say.
Yeah.
So it worked really well, and I'm doing the same with 4 to 5 year old kids as well. There are 4 to 5 year olds, so they do phonics and conversation with us, and then they're like, "Ma'am, ये क्या करा रहे हो? ये तो इसके रूल के बियॉन्ड है. ये कैसे करेंगे? ये कैसे करेंगे?" And give them the chance. They'll do it for 2 months. तीसरे महीने उनको अपने आप आता होगा.
Right.
And how do you match up? वो UKG में, वो LKG में, आप level कैसे match करते हो? That's a differentiation technique, and the child looking at the other child is going to learn
even better, I
even
guess.
better.
Yes.
And उसको 4 महीने लगे उसको लर्न करने में, क्योंकि वो अकेला लर्न कर रहा था. दूसरे वाला आया 2 महीने में वही चीज़ लर्न कर गया.
Because
And conversation, I'm just exposing them to language.
Wow.
With different themes, with different activities, just exposing them. Language का exposure जब आप दोगे, English का exposure देना ज़रूरी है. तो अगर आपके घर में हिंदी पंजाबी बोली जा रही है, तो exposure दो screen time से. read. अब बहुत सारे parents ये बोलते हैं, आप मेरा बच्चा मैं इतनी बुक्स ला के देती हूँ, वो read नहीं करता, वो ये नहीं करता.
that was about my next question.
So read नहीं करता, कैसे habit develop करे? मैम, आपको साथ में बैठना पड़ेगा और आपको रीड करना पड़ेगा. वो सिर्फ 1 पेज पढ़ेगा, वो छोटा बच्चा है. आपको बाकी के 5 पेजेस उसको पढ़ के सुनाने पड़ेंगे. एंड दैट इज हिज लिसनिंग स्किल, लुकिंग एट दोज वर्ड्स, लुकिंग एट दोज पिक्चर्स. ही इज लिसनिंग टू ऑल द वर्ड्स. एंड व्हेन आई रीड इट टू आविशी, आई डोंट टेल हर एवरी मीनिंग. बेटा इसका मीनिंग ये है, इसका मीनिंग ये है. हम भी जब नॉवेल्स पढ़ते हैं तो हम डिक्शनरी खोल के तो नहीं बैठते साथ में.
Undoubtedly.
लेट देम डिस्कवर. चाहे गलत ही डिस्कवर किया है, दोबारा पढ़ेंगे ना सेम स्टोरी, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली
You will
correction हो
exact
जाएगी.
correction
And
हो
when they
जाएगा.
use it in real life, and if they have made mistake, that's a
Right.
good thing. Let them make that mistake.
Yeah.
And then you're guiding them. Maybe something is missing with this word, you do not use it correctly, and you tell them. And kids are like that. They don't repeat their mistakes.
There's so many moments, I'm taking like, oh, You know, this is the thing I'm really think all parents should actually know and embrace that बच्चों को mistakes करने दो.
हाँ.
You know, people are like,
okay.
ऐसे कैसे इसको गलत आ जाएगा? You know, but
मतलब let's
let
work
them
on the
make
mistake.
mistakes.
Of course,
Yeah.
let them make mistakes. It's okay. And हम कितनी बार कहते हैं, मैं आविशी को कल computers करा रही थी, you know. So उसमें था computers do not make mistakes. Humans make mistakes. So human, I told Avishi also that human is to err.
Yeah.
You know, let them make mistakes. ये तो human, अगर humans ही गलतियाँ नहीं करेंगे तो computer robots ना बन जाएं हम. So let them make mistakes and make sure that the mistakes are not repeated. एक दो बार हो गया, मतलब foolishness में मत आओ कि वो repeat ही कर, चलो करने दो. Not like that. Let's work on the mistakes. You know, if my if somebody is not good at something, you know, let them make those errors and realize, you know, this is something. Like for example, Avishi started making so many errors in Hindi.
Okay.
You know, and I realized it was a jolting point for me as well, that I worked so much on her English, and then all of a sudden Hindi language, writing, of course speaking is not a problem, but writing, you know, understanding all those matras has become a problem. I realized it there. I focused a lot. Now I've started in Hindi reading with her. You know, that's what I need to do. And she's herself said, you know, I told her that you have to start reading Hindi books and you have to learn the spellings also. And she said, yeah, Mama, I have realized that I've scored very less marks and I feel that I should not score this less. I'll work on it. So she has said it herself.
Wow.
So that is the realization that you need to let it happen in your child. अब जब उसको पता चल गया कि ये मेरी गलती है, I have to work on it, the child will work themselves.
Exactly. I think the right environment देना वही कि अगर वो reading नहीं कर रहा तो थोड़ी देर उसके साथ बैठो ना and read that book.
And I have done one more strategy. You know, I've been a working mom and been busy with my life, but I never stopped my work. I used to record the books for her and used to play the voice note. She used to play the voice note. She didn't know how to read then. So she opened the book, she heard my voice note, and she read the book.
Wow.
You know,
so that's amazing. You know, I think you're giving a spectrum of learning activities, like the learning intelligences for that matter as well. Like reading is one sort of way to learn, and listening is one sort of way to learn.
Yes.
And kids are different sort of learners. They're,
Yes.
you know, so we have to actually expose them to all sort of learning styles. So that is amazing. You know, you can read, you can listen, you can watch visually, and then. You know, it is not necessary कि घर पर सबका इंग्लिश बोलना ज़रूरी है.
Exactly, true. अब जैसे मैं जब लेसन प्लान्स बना लेती हूँ, पूरे महीने के हम लेसन प्लान्स बना लेते हैं और 4 और 5 ईयर ओल्ड वाले ग्रुप में ज़्यादा होता है. सो जब स्टूडेंट्स आए ना, मैंने देखा कि ये जो मैं करा रही हूँ, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग विद देम.
Okay.
आई हैव टू immediately alter everything that I have made.
Right.
You know, so it has to be that quick. You are an adult, you have to bring that understanding for your child also, that this is not working for her, this is not working for him, let me change the approach. You know, हिंदी के spellings उसको learn नहीं हो रहे, तो I changed the approach. I started writing. She didn't want to write. She was stubborn and adamant. नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता, मैं नहीं करूँगी. So I started writing for her. अच्छा, मुझे observe करो मैं कैसे लिख रही हूँ.
Beautiful, no?
है ना? So
यहाँ
that's-
पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं वो लिखता नहीं, फिर हम इसको डांट लगाते हैं, थप्पड़ लगाते हैं, लिख. You know,
पढ़,
it's पढ़.
books लाके दे रही है,
और वो बच्चा
पढ़.
तो इतना नेगेटिव इमोशन जुड़ जाएगा कि मुझे थप्पड़ पड़ता है पढ़ाई के टाइम, तो वो क्यों पढ़ेगा? एंड इट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज टू आई थिंक ऑल द मदर्स कि नहीं पढ़ रहा तो खुद लिख दो, ताकि उसके लिए एकदम इजी गोइंग हो जाए, उसको समझ आ जाए, एंड देन नेक्स्ट टाइम वो अपने आप को ट्राई करेगा. Beautiful, yeah.
I think we have to change the approach every time. Even in the classroom, as a teacher, I do that. And as a parent, one strategy that is working for you, for Dhimayi, might not work for me, for Avishi.
Right.
You know, we can try. Of course, mothers can share experiences
course.
and we can try, but it's not compulsory that it's going to be a success for
because हर बच्चा
my
different
child.
learner है, right?
True.
And the good part is different ways try कर रहे हो and you're being open to it. So ऐसा कुछ example है आपकी खुद की classroom experience में, you know?
अब yes, of course. So I take different like English का एक level होता है, A1, A2, B1, B2. So A2 level में I take second graders also, third graders also, fourth graders also. तो हर किसी का level different है. So it's not because I am saving time कि वो 1 घंटा, but they should be exposed to the similar kind of vocabulary. क्योंकि fourth वाला जो मेरे पास अब आया है, उसने second third में वो चीज़ नहीं करी है.
Right.
So the topic तो same ही है, right? And then I have to work on a different approach with second graders, and the fourth graders are more independent. नो, बट सेकंड ग्रेडर्स को मेरी हेल्प चाहिए, तो हम वो जाके करते हैं. एंड देर आर सो मेनी किड्स जो बिल्कुल डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, आप कैसे ना कहते हो मैम ये तो बैठता ही नहीं है.
राइट.
देर आर सो मेनी किड्स लाइक दैट जो बैठते ही नहीं है. बट देर इज कभी एक दिन डांट लगाई, आप बार बार डांट लगाते रहोगे वो भी नहीं वर्क करेगा. तो अप्रोच चेंज कर दो. सो व्हाट आई डू, लाइक आई डू इट विद माई किड्स. दे डोंट सिट ना, आई गो टू देम एंड आई स्टार्ट टिकलिंग देम.
Wow.
Like, you will get this tickle continuously if you will not if you will not sit at one place. So अब उसके साथ ये वर्क कर रहा था कि वो टिकल करते हैं तो वो ऐसे बैठ जाता है, यू नो. सो अब नेक्स्ट टाइम उसके साथ वो नहीं, वो ज़्यादा ही फ्रेंडली हो गया, ओवर फ्रेंडली हो गया टीचर के साथ. अब नॉट लिसनिंग टू यू, कमिंग टू यू. एंड देन यू नो उसको मेरे पास आना अच्छा लगता था. आई मेड हिम सिट विद मी, है ना. सो वी एंड देर आर सो मेनी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड किड्स जो नहीं सुनते हैं. और मुझे होता है कि जितना भी वो सुन रहे हैं ना, जस्ट गिव देम द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड डू दैट थिंग. मैं ये नहीं चाहती हूँ कि जो कोई भी, चाहे तो वो थर्ड ग्रेडर ही था, बहुत अच्छी वोकैबुलरी यूज़ कर रहा है, एंड कंपेयरिंग इट विद द अदर किड फ्रॉम द थर्ड ग्रेड, दोनों का लेवल डिफरेंट हो सकता है,
बिल्कुल,
यू नो. बट मैं उसको उसके वे में अप्रोच कर रही हूँ और उसको उसके वे में अप्रोच कर रही हूँ. थिंक दैट्स अ बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्पल कि हम, देर आर मेनी अदर वेज टू डू इट,
right.
you know, approach it differently.
So because you've dealt with so many parents, you know, उनके इतने questions होंगे and all. So you pointed out कि parents में misconception है कि घर पे English बोलनी ज़रूरी है. Any other thing you think, you know, where parents, you know, वहाँ पर उनको they have to change their approach and
Yes, I would say that, you know, since I've studied in the UK and then went to Spain as well, so I have communicated with native speakers.
Of course.
And there is a huge gap on how we communicate in English and what kind of vocabulary we are using. I always call it Indian English. It's not about the accent, you know. I don't want to adopt any foreign accent, or you don't sound well that you have an accent, you know. That's not your English. I would like to add over here that we focus more on words, whereas the native speakers, they focus on different phrases, like help me please. They'll say could you lend me a hand, you know. Help, lend me a hand, there is a difference. There's a different phrase. They'll say patience, they'll say hold your horses, you know. And I don't like doing it, you know. It's not my cup of tea. The native speakers are using those idioms and phrases also in their everyday routine, everyday communication.
Yeah.
You know, they'll not say, you know, it's so easy. They'll say it's a piece of cake, it's a cakewalk.
Yeah.
You know, that's their natural thing, and we miss out on that. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको high sounding words करा रहे हैं, superfluous vocabulary learn कराते जा रहे हैं, word पे word add करते जा रहे हैं, synonyms करा रहे हैं, antonyms करा रहे हैं. Of course they are important, but not to an extent that you miss out on these daily routine phrases also.
Yeah, because यही बच्चे बड़े होकर बाहर पढ़ने भी जाएंगे और native speaker से interact भी करेंगे.
And then why can't we, you know, why if we are learning a global language, we should adopt the way British and Americans are communicating,
right,
you know, in a similar way. तो इंडियन इंग्लिश का वो जो टैग है वो हटाना चाहिए, एंड ब्रिज दैट क्लोजर गैप. एंड आई वुड मेक अ रिकमेंडेशन. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई डिड इन इम्प्रूविंग माई सेल्फ. लाइक माई स्ट्रगल वॉज ऑल्सो रियल, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई डिड. आई यूज टू, लाइक व्हेन आई यूज टू वॉच ऑल दोज शोज, आई यूज टू पिक अप ऑन अ वर्ड और अ फ्रेज, एंड आई यूज टू रिपीट इट फॉर द एंटायर वीक. मैं उस वर्ड या उस फ्रेज को एवरी डे रूटीन में एक हफ्ते के लिए यूज़ करती थी, एंड द रिटेंशन बिकेम स्ट्रॉन्गर. एंड विद योर किड, it's not about your kid learning vocabulary, it's about the mother or the father learning vocabulary and repeating it in front of the child time and again. Right. And that's what I do in my classroom also. We pick some phrases of the month and we repeat it again and again in front of the kids. They discover the meanings themselves.
Informally as well.
Informally, you know.
Right.
And the vocabulary becomes stronger in them.
Because they keep on hearing it and they know how to use it basically.
Yeah, and you'll be able to work on yourself also,
of
your
course.
individuality and the way you communicate. Yeah. So एक idiom pick करो. कभी बच्चों के साथ you can make it more fun, like making them learn color idioms, food idioms, animal idioms. तो हम एक pick कर ले. आज हम food के बारे में अगर for example बात करें, केक खाना बच्चों को कितना अच्छा लगता है. So let them learn piece of cake walk. You know? So it's a beautiful thing that you can adopt and just use a piece of cake everywhere. Cloud9. The students come to my class, 4th, 5th graders also. They don't know the meaning of over the moon, or you know, had a gala time, had a whale of a time. They don't know the meanings of just basic phrases as well.
Phrases. Yeah.
You know, cut corners, and they were like, "Kya? Kaise?"
Yeah.
So you should be working on that thing as well, and there are certain idioms that are used in business English as well, so it can
Right.
help you grow in your business as well if you have international clientage. And you
Yeah.
teach the same thing to your kids, repeat it in front of them, pick a
So I
phrase
think
and
idiom for the week should be for the mother or the father, right?
so true,
So
yeah.
for the parents, so they conversate or use that idiom more for that
हाँ.
particular week. I think वो naturally अपने आप ही बच्चे को आ
हाँ,
जाएगा.
automatically.
And I've realized कि अगर हम जब लिख कर बताते हैं ना, this is the word of the day, this is the idiom of the day, वो अगले वीक भूल जाता है.
हाँ.
Otherwise.
And that's what I suggest teachers also. Like I go for teacher training seminars, and then the traditional schools, they always have a board where there is a word of the day written.
Yes.
एक
We
ही
had in our
चीज़-
school.
Yeah, everybody had it, you know, and even in assembly.
Yeah,
Everybody had
word of the day is-
किसको याद रहा? आधे लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं.
True.
So that word of the day has to be, the Gen Z has transformed the way of learning completely, and they
I know.
grasp things in a different way.
Right.
And we have to update ourselves. तो वो word of the day जो होता है, it has to be in many different forms. Like be it in a form of a puzzle or a maze or an anagram, you know, or in a riddle or in a jumbled way. So every time it has to be different कि attention जाए वहाँ पे. Attention भी तो grab करनी है ना हमें Gen Z की. तो उसको grab करने के लिए जब Instagram ने हमें इतना content, इतनी creativity बख्श दी है, so let's use it in the environment that we have around us.
True. Yeah. I think when I had conceived the elder one, so it was a phrase, you know, Sadhguru talks. So he was like, कि जब baby is born, it's not the time to teach, it's time to learn.
Yeah.
You know, and it's just so true. अब तब समझ नहीं आ रहा था what is a, you know, क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं. But then now it is, अब समझ में आता है, you know, it is actually time to learn.
It's actually the time that they are building their mind
Yes.
in you, and whatever you are feeling and whatever is going inside you and the environment that you have, it's building.
And the parents are the first role models बच्चों के.
Yeah, true.
They imitate you, they learn from you, everything for that matter.
And I think it's important for parents to talk. ये तो बच्चा है, इसको थोड़ी समझ में आएगा. No.
Ah,
You have to start talking about emotions, to start talking about the things that you are facing in your adulthood. And your child should not, if they are aware of these things, like for example, Avishi came the other day, it's like, मम्मा बड़ा ही bad day था, बच्चों ने ऐसे बोला, इसने ये बोला, बहुत गंदा day था, मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना. And the next day she came and she said like, oh, आज तो बहुत ही अच्छा दिन था, आज ये हुआ, आज वैसे हुआ. So I made her sit, you know, this is what life is. It's a mixture of good and bad, and you have to accept both happily.
wow.
And even if you're feeling sad one day, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's a human emotion.
ये हमें लगता है, and your daughter is 6 years old, right? And she understood it.
Yeah, she
Beautifully
understood it.
embraced. Yeah, they do.
Yeah, you
It's
have
हमें
to-
लगता है कि नहीं वो बच्चे हैं.
हाँ बच्चे हैं. And even you know sometimes you know घर पे कुछ there are certain things, certain circumstances where there is a lot of language that the child should not be exposed to. You know, then you go back and you make them explain. You know, you should talk maturely to them, because I can see, you know, as you know, that I lost my mother when I was 12. I have gone through lots of emotions, and my father passed away 3 years ago. So there is a lot on me, and the transformation, there was no one as a guiding light for me to handle the emotions, to handle the challenges that I faced in my life. So it was me explaining everything. And if my child gets accustomed to all these things from the very beginning, it wouldn't be difficult for her to struggle with that teenage hormonal change, you know, and that adulthood. मुझे तो अब जाके समझ में आया, when I was 30, I understood that, you know, life is not perfect. Life is a mixture. This is what life is.
Exactly.
So I think we should explain it to them. We should talk to them. And even if somebody is not learning properly, you know, कई बार तो कहते हैं ना कि ये तो पढ़ता ही नहीं है, सुनता ही नहीं है, लड़का है ना, शायद इसीलिए बहुत नॉटी है.
Yeah,
आप बैठ के बात तो करो उससे,
बिल्कुल.
उसको समझाने की कोशिश तो करो. और आपको लगता है कि बच्चा एक बार में समझ जाएगा. We don't have to give up.
Yeah.
It's your you can say your project. सदगुरु भी कहते हैं ना कि अगर बच्चा कर लिया तो 20 साल तो it's you have taken a project now, अब करो उसके ऊपर काम.
I think yes, just healthy discussions really help, and they look forward to it as well. They don't like instructions. Lecture किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता, हमें ही नहीं लगता. तो how would they like as well? Shevi, I'm really, you know, आपने जो भी share करा अपना personal experience, I really don't know how comfortable are you digging. I won't dig deep into it, but yeah, your journey wasn't that easy and smooth,
No.
right?
Yeah, I wouldn't say. There has been times that you completely break, you cry a lot,
Yes.
and but somehow there was some sort of God has been kind or whatever. There is self motivation.
But I'm bringing this question up कि हम कई बार अपने बहुत ही सिंपल लाइफस्टाइल में ना हम विक्टिम बन जाते हैं बहुत सिंपल से सिनेरियो में भी एंड यू हैव सीन थ्रू लॉट एंड देन ऑल्सो यू इमर्ज्ड एज अ स्टार तो आई थिंक देर समथिंग सम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज जो हम मिस कर रहे हैं फॉर पीपल दैट इज एक वो जो विक्टिम एटीट्यूड है ना हाउ डिड यू हैव दैट एटीट्यूड और देन डिड यू
I think yes. I think everybody say, I tell my husband also, you don't understand the emotion. How does it feel to lose someone so close?
Yeah.
You haven't experienced that in your life. You really don't know. So I mean that's a fact. And हम crib भी करते हैं, I cribbed a lot, why is my mom not there? Everybody's mom is there.
Yeah.
And during the weddings or anything, it makes me feel और मैं कई बार अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी यही बोलती हूँ कि ना जो द काइंड ऑफ बॉन्ड यू शेयर एवरीथिंग अबाउट योर फैमिली सर्कमस्टांसेस आफ्टर मैरिज विद योर मॉम I don't understand that bond.
Yeah.
I've never experienced it, so I don't understand it. Void feel होता है.
Yeah.
Crib किया जाता है कि यार मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ. But I think that's what I told you. That's when I read books and I realized, that's how life is. Every life is different, and there are going to be challenges. It's you. Life is a choice, I would say. It's choice whether you want to give up or you want to keep going. I chose to keep going.
I want to mark it with a golden line in the marker, Life is all about the choice. Yeah.
Yeah, so similarly, my younger brother, since my dad passed away, he's unmarried. He's 8 years younger to me.
Okay.
So he's going through a similar kind of phase, koi nahi hai, ye hai, wo hai. And I want him to discover the meaning of life himself rather than me lecturing him. कि अच्छा ये कर, ये कर ले, ऐसे कर ले, ये मत कर. He's going through a similar phase that I experienced in my, when I was 25 years old.
Yeah.
So same kind of phase, and it's like, let that happen. Let that happen to him. He will emerge stronger. I know he has
That's
the
a
kind of
beautiful
personality.
decision, because
Yes, let it be.
हम अपनों के लिए रोक नहीं पाते हैं. We try to नहीं उसको मेरी ज़रूरत है. Let
उसको
me
मेरी
help.
ज़रूरत है. मैंने छोड़ दिया उसको
But
कि तू कर, अपने आप कर लेगा. Life सिखा देती है. As we say,
और वो सबसे-
necessity
yeah.
is the mother of all invention.
Right.
So light भी तभी invent हुई. हर चीज़ अब
Yeah, he would
ये-
emerge as a much better rather than you being telling him to be like, do this to be. Wow. I think यही चीज़ हमारी पेरेंटिंग में भी यूज़ होती है.
Yes,
Similar
yes.
way, हमें थोड़ा उनको इंडिपेंडेंट
देना चाहिए, इंडिपेंडेंस देनी चाहिए. That's what Avashi, I can relate more examples to my daughter.
Of course.
So हम कहते हैं ना कि अब उस दिन I'll tell you one example about my class about Dimahi. So हम कैरेक्टर कर रहे थे, कैरेक्टर राइटिंग. सबको एक कैरेक्टर दिया ड्रॉ करने के लिए, and everybody was writing their own line. तो अनामिका, my team member, she came to me, ma'am, Dimahi is writing on herself. I'm like, let her be, let her do that. That's her creativity. She's independent enough to write about her and use those words. So let it be. She doesn't want to build a character herself. She wants her to be the character of the story. So let it be.
Wow.
So I mean, we should इंडिपेंडेंस आनी चाहिए. मैम उसने ना कर दिया है बट उसने वर्ड्स नहीं यूज़ करे. चल कुछ करा तो है ना. It's something let that flow came out.
Yeah.
So we have to sometimes let it be वाला attitude तब होना चाहिए जब when you see the child growing.
Yeah. जब
When
वो
you
अपनी
see the
तरफ से
person
कुछ भी
growing.
एफर्ट कर रहा है और उसको करेक्ट करने में हम उसके एफर्ट्स को थोड़ा वो कर
push out कर देते हैं. So let it be. उसको rejoice करने दो उस चीज़ में
Wow.
कि मैंने कुछ तो कर लिया है ना.
Every
कुछ तो achieve
teacher should know this and every mother should know this,
we need to rejoice in that thing.
Right.
तो ऐसे मतलब I don't want to just sound that inspiring or वो I do make mistakes.
Of course.
I'm not a perfect parent. I do shout at my kids sometimes. That's a very normal reflex. But I'm that kind of parent who realizes that my reaction wasn't good.
Yeah.
And I like to amend it right then and there.
True. So
You
we
get
all
irritated, you
do.
get frustrated. It's again a human thing.
Yeah.
But mending what
That
you have
is
done
really
wrong
important.
is, I think, very
I know
important.
it. Exactly. I think we do. And मेरे को मैं तो literally कान पकड़ के यार मेरे को sorry कर दो please. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. And then मम्मा आप मत कान पकड़ो please. So
So
yeah.
it's important to give them that feeling that not dominating them, not telling them that they are always wrong.
Yeah.
You know, we can also be wrong.
Of course.
And you know, Avishi once told me that, you know, मम्मा हो आप कैसे गलती कर सकते हो? Like, I'm also human. I
Yeah,
can make
of
mistakes.
course.
It's all right. If Papa has done it right, you follow Papa. You know, and it's, you learn from what you do wrong.
Of course.
You know, दो पाथ होते हैं, राइट और रॉन्ग. अब हमें नहीं पता, कोई गाइडेंस नहीं है. आप रॉन्ग पाथ पकड़ोगे, कुछ गलती करके कुछ सीख के राइट की तरफ जाओगे ना. टर्न तो हर जगह है ही है.
बिल्कुल.
So treat everything like we say that failure is not a point where you stop.
Yeah.
Failure is a lesson
True.
that, you know, you have to do some things differently.
Definitely. Yeah. I think वही ये चीज़ें इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम अपनी डेली लाइफ, अपनी डेली करिकुलम, द वे वी टीच आवर किड्स, उसमें भी ये सब लेकर आए दैट लेट देम डू इन द फ्लो. वो नहीं कर रहा तो उनके साथ हो लो, यू नो.
हाँ.
लेट देम एक्सप्लेन देम देन, यू नो, रादर देन कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा.
आई थिंक हमारी जो हम मेरी वाली जनरेशन है स्पेसिफिकली, उनकी पेरेंटिंग की ना अप्रोच ही बदल गया है. मैंने इस रील में देखा था, मैं इसको ऐसे फॉलो करूँगी, मैं अपने बच्चे के ऊपर अप्लाई करके रहूँगी. ये नहीं समझते हैं कि हम जो इंस्टाग्राम पे कंटेंट देख रहे हैं उसने किस सेंस में एक्सप्लेन किया, किस चाइल्ड के लिए एक्सप्लेन किया. यू डोंट हैव टू ग्रास्प एवरीथिंग, बट इफ इट्स अ लर्निंग एंड इट वर्क्स फॉर यू,
That's
well
great.
done.
Yeah.
बट यू डोंट हैव टू फोर्स दैट थिंग ऑन यू.
बिल्कुल.
एंड वो टैग ना परफेक्ट पेरेंट का, इट्स वेरी प्रेशराइजिंग
Yeah.
and should not be there. Why are you creating that undue pressure on you?
Because-
But do try. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि every parent, if you are aware about the things around you, about the emotions around you, about the learning around you, if you are open to that
Yeah.
and you are ready to unlearn all the things that you have done wrong in your life and relearn new
And
things,
वही-
that what makes you a perfect parent.
बिकॉज हमारे को ये बोला जाता है कि हमारे को तो ऐसे थप्पड़ पड़ते थे, हमारे के टाइम तो डंडे पड़ते थे, ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही, यू नो.
हाँ,
सो वी
fragile
गेट,
है,
हाँ,
ये
फ्रेजाइल.
है.
बट आई थिंक देयर इज अ शिफ्ट नाउ.
There is a shift in the psychology of the young minds as well.
Yes.
And we have to work accordingly. अब जैसे मतलब बड़े लोगों ने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था वो स्मार्टफोन में देखेंगे. माई पापा वॉज लाइक ऑलवेज, माई फादर इन लॉ वॉज ऑलवेज अ रीडर. यू नो, बुक्स इधर उधर, न्यूज़पेपर, मेन्यू, सब कुछ ये चल रहा है. बट नाउ ही रीड्स ऑन द फोन. हु थॉट, यू नो, ही वुड बी सो good at using smartphones and
Exactly.
laptops, all those
Right.
things. हमने अपने आप को चेंज किया ना, कोविड ने सब कुछ
Yeah.
नया ही सिखा दिया.
Yeah.
So that's how the psychology, they are exposed to so many distractions now. हमारे लिए Instagram कितनी बड़ी distraction है. So is the case with kids. And you have to approach them differently.
Right.
एक नया style adopt करना ही पड़ेगा, be it being a parent, be it being a teacher.
Right.
It's very important.
सो अगर हम फ्लुएंसी ऑफ इंग्लिश पे वापस आए, राइट, एंड फॉर अ मदर, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि वो क्या क्या गलतियाँ कर रहे हैं, है ना. दे शुड बी कंसिस्टेंट, वो डेली लाइफ में उसको यूज़ करे. सो व्हाट इज़ वन थिंग, व्हाट टिप यू वुड गिव इट टू अ पेरेंट कि यू नो दैट विल एक्चुअली कि इस तरह से यू नो यू विल मेक दैट एनवायरनमेंट कंड्यूसिव प्रोबेबली टू स्पीक दैट, टू
Yeah,
ब्रिंग दैट फ्लुएंसी.
I would say बहुत सारे मॉम्स के मुझे कॉल भी आते हैं कि मैम मैं खुद ही फ्लुएंट नहीं हूँ, मुझे भी सीखनी है इंग्लिश, मुझे नहीं आती पर मुझे बड़ी शर्म आती है, मैं कैसे करूँ.
Yes, that's what I wanted to ask.
So they are not
basically.
able to build that environment. Before working on your child, start working on yourself. Once you have taken the challenge of working on your individuality, your child is just going to imitate.
True.
So you're trying to work on your child. Rather, you should start working on yourself, and that's
Right.
the environment that you will give to
Right.
your child, and he's just going to imitate you.
Right.
आप अपने ऊपर work करो ना.
Bilkul. So can you do you have some such platforms or suggestions कि यहाँ से they can start with, you know, on working on themselves?
There are lots of things that we do in the classroom if the parents are not able to do. I have batches for adults as well. So what I do, I'll tell one of the exercises that I do.
Yeah.
I pick up some videos, inspiring videos that anything I want specific vocabulary to be taught in my classroom, right?
Right.
So I pick up that kind of video, YouTube, biggest source, you know.
course.
We type anything and it
It's
delivers
there.
you the data.
Yeah, yeah.
So I pick up from there and I make either true false, or I make fill in the blank, or I make, you know, wrong sentence game. Lots of other games can be done from listening.
Yeah.
And when you listen to it, that's the exercise that you can do. You know, go back and recapitulating in your mind. Did he try to say this? Did he try to say that?
Right.
Right? We also provide these exercises, you know, to the, जैसे हम करते हैं ना कि पहले questions पढ़े, then you watch the video and go back and check whether your answers are correct or not.
Right.
तो उसमें से फर्स्ट डे में 5 में से एक ही सही होगा, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट फेमिलियर विद दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपोजर ऑफ वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस.
True.
बट यू हैव टू गिव योर सेल्फ 10 days टाइम, वो 5 के 5 सही हो जाएंगे. सो दैट्स अ लिसनिंग एक्सरसाइज दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉट जस्ट वॉचिंग, reanalyzing it in your mind in English is also important. So watch these TED Talks. There is one particular TED Talk which is about polyglots, how polyglots learn language. Go search, everybody, TED Talk polyglot, POLYGLOT.
I'll do it right away.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, watch it and you understand how polyglot is basically a person who is multilingual, who can speak different languages, how they learn language. So once you understand that process, you are completely through. There are beautiful TED Talks, Coffee with Karan, you know, Round Table, all these, and then watching just a normal interview
English
of any
movie or
celebrity.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah, and then of course you'll reach later, communication part clear ho gaya, then you reach towards watching. I love watching Sudha Murthy stories on Netflix. You know, I do that with Avishi also, and that's improving my English too. There are so many words that I learned from Sudha Murthy's, you know, book. And I, you know, I would say I used to call it chain, dog का ही ना, dog की. कल मैं उसको बुक पढ़ रही थी about a dog. सुधा मूर्ति की बुक है, गोपीज डायरी करके. तो मुझे वहाँ से पता चला कि इसको लीश कहते हैं. You know, being an English teacher also, that was not there in my dictionary. मैं तो उसको chain ही कहती थी, pull the chain, or you know, and then अच्छा leash. कितना simple word है, an everyday word. You get to know about these things.
Right.
Or when children's books are the amazing thing to improve.
Yeah.
Yourself also.
Exactly.
You get so many. I missed out. I started reading when I became a, you know, I went to college. I started with few books. Then in my post-graduation, I started reading more. And after post-graduation, I became an avid reader. I was never ever a very, मुझे कभी किसी ने children's book पढ़ी नहीं. The childhood was little थोड़ा सा ऐसे, कभी बुक्स का एक्सपोजर ही नहीं था. अच्छा लाइब्रेरी भी होती है, वो लेके आनी होती है, पढ़नी होती है, वो था ही नहीं, एक्सपोजर पता ही नहीं था. बट तो चिल्ड्रंस बुक्स अब मैं पढ़ रही हूँ आविशी के साथ, एंड आई एंजॉय इट सो मच.
Yeah, you know, you made me read that Simi Stands Tall as well. You know, I loved it.
Yeah.
और उसने तो ख़त्म नहीं करी थी. I finished it. Yeah, सिस्टिंग वैसे अच्छा तुमने नहीं पढ़नी. And he was not in mood कि मैं बैठ के सुनूँ. I was like, okay, you go. I really want to finish it.
It's
Yeah, it
important, you
was,
know, you're
yeah.
busy with your life. Of course, that happens. At least build a habit 3 times in a week
Yeah.
to read with your child. You are improving yourself,
Right.
and so your child is also improving.
So there's another story. Like there are many parents who say, you know, time नहीं है बैठ के, you know, if that is also a concern, do you have such any sort of game or something, you know, जैसे चलते फिरते बच्चों को कुछ ऐसा, because I've seen you are very creative with games. You can pick up a question or throw करोगे and you can, you know, just tell the word. So
हाँ,
you're
तो
really
जैसे,
creative with things. So is there any creative game जो शायद maybe you know every time you don't get time to sit and do the reading because school का इतना curriculum
Pressure
है,
होता
बाकी
है.
सब चीज़ें हैं. So anything, you know, जो maybe वो kitchen में खड़े और बच्चा साथ में और 2-3 ऐसी conversation हुई and you know say you probably you're learning better.
मैं एक गेम खेलती हूँ.
Yeah.
I used to play with my nieces as well, both of them. They used to love it. दोपहर में मुझे बेड पे बैठना है, मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ, मुझे आई एम वेरी फीलिंग वेरी टायर्ड. तो मैं उनको कहती थी गो गेट मी 2 things वाइट इन कलर, गो गेट मी 2 things दैट हैज़ अ हैंडल.
Yeah.
है ना, तो ऐसे करके ना उनको मैं मंगवाती तो थी. तो डू यू नो वाई इज़ इट वाइट, उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस पूछना.
Yeah.
यू नो वाई डज इट हैव हैंडल. अच्छा टी का कप का हैंडल इसलिए सो दैट द टी इज व्हेन इट इज़ हॉट यू डोंट हैव टू होल्ड द मग.
Yeah.
So that explanation in itself is a speaking practice.
और वो कितना सिंपल है.
Simple है. मैं तो घर पे बैठी
यहाँ पर
अपने
एक ग्लास ऑफ वाटर पड़ा है, मग है, और तुम किसी भी चीज से
ठीक है,
रिलेटेड
घर का
आप
अफला
डिस्कशन.
तुफला मच जाता है, but that's okay. Your
That's
kid is
okay,
enjoying
yeah.
and you are also having your relaxing time.
Yeah, it's true.
Me
मैं
time
I
भी मिल
used
रहा
to be a very compliant person before my kids. You know, मेरा सब कुछ एकदम सेट होना चाहिए. अब everything is messy. I'm like, सब ठीक है. इतना सुंदर है. You know, I keep telling it to myself. But then because that's how they learn. Yeah.
So that's what I do, you know. Even with Avishi, like हम कार में बैठे हैं, sometimes I'm उसको बोल दिया कि हम करते थे ना वो गेम, ढूंढो ये वर्ड कहाँ है, ये वर्ड कहाँ है, and give them the, you know, the history, the explanation of it. तू बच्चा है, तेरे को नहीं समझ में आएगा, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, you know. And Avishi loves noting down the numbers, and she plays that game of plus minus with
I know.
her dad. So they do that. I love colors around, you know. So then I talk about the colors to them. What does green represent to you? What do you think? You know, green color over there. So we talk about, do you think it's a perfect fit there?
Yeah.
You know? So these are the things I think, and I do ask her these questions, very important. And just a simple tip: never allow your child to give you answers in one word. And so is the case with the teacher. If you want them to be fluent in any language, ask them to make sentences.
Right.
Is this looking nice? Nice. Yeah, good. No. Oh, mama, this color looks perfect on you. This is the right fit. You know, this outfit is dazzling. You know, I always make sure that Avishi makes sentences, or my students as well. किसी ने बोला ना, सुपर हीरो क्या कर सकता है? सुपर हीरो fly. No, give me full sentence. Super hero can fly. Superhero has magic powers. Magic powers, no. Make full sentence.
Yeah.
And then even, you know, if you are watching, for example, when you have read a story to them, don't end there. Ask them questions. What do you think? Do you think the stepmother did right with Snow White? Do you think she was kind-hearted when she did everything for the dwarfs? You know, all these questions. Don't say yes, mama, no, mama. Let her make sentence.
Yeah.
Snow White was kind-hearted to help dwarfs.
True.
Stepmother was
it's
a
a
wicked
very
mom. Yeah,
interesting
it's very,
tip. Yeah.
don't basically nursery rhyme से भी आप शुरू कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
Starting from the very childhood, like Johnny, yes, Papa. What did Johnny do? Johnny was hiding and eating sugar.
Oh, right.
Eating sugar पे खत्म नहीं करना है.
बिल्कुल.
Make
ये तो
Johnny.
2-year-old से भी तो शुरू कर सकते हैं
exactly.
parents. Yeah.
That's very important. Never accept one word answer if you want them to be fluent in English.
Beautiful. Yeah, this is a learning. I mean, I would take it, you know. We'll definitely apply it. Yeah. So that's what, you know, I've always seen in your reels and the way you teach. My kids come to you, they learn, is that you're really, really creative with, you know, you're making them learn through play, through games.
I think it wasn't natural to me, you know. I'm not God gifted कि मुझे games आ रही हैं, but मैंने अपने brain को उस तरफ चला दिया और अब वो चलता ही वैसे है.
Beautiful. So it's like it is not something which only you can do. So it's a message for the parents कि आप भी
कर सकते हो. आप भी कर सकते हो. जब आप अपना ब्रेन उस सेंस में चलाना शुरू करोगे वो चलेगा. हमारे को भगवान ने ब्रेन दिया है, उसमें इतनी पावर्स दी हैं कि आप उसको जिस डायरेक्शन में चलाओगे वो नेगेटिविटी की तरफ करोगे तो वो वहीं पे रोल करता रहेगा. पॉजिटिविटी की लेके जाओगे तो वो पॉजिटिव की तरफ, क्रिएटिविटी की तरफ लेके जाओगे क्रिएटिविटी की तरफ. एंड दैट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल कोट फ्रॉम Albert Einstein. Creativity is intelligence having fun.
Yeah.
So if you are intelligent, let your creativity, you know, let your intelligent play and bring in more creativity into it.
So I think we all in all had a lot of, you know, things which were relatable, which were to learn from your own your life, I guess. And also there are a lot of tips your parents can take home, like, you know, कि आज इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद आई थिंक वी शुड स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू विद अ किड लाइक दैट, यू नो. आज उनसे ऐसे बात करके देखते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट टेक एनीथिंग, यू नो. अच्छा, ग्लास में कितना ही पानी है? इज इट हाफ फुल, इज इट फुल, यू नो. वेरी सिंपल थिंग, यू नो.
Simple things. We need to talk about all these things, you know. What are you watching? Do you think it's relevant to watch it? हम ऐसे क्या करते हैं ना, ऑब्वियसली टीवी बंद कर दे, you know, saying the name, टीवी बंद कर दे, ये स्विच ऑफ कर दे, खुद जाके रिमोट से बंद कर दिया.
जोर से कर दे.
That's gonna make the child cry so much. I never, you know, switch off the TV by myself. I always ask her and convince her to switch off the TV.
True.
And you have to keep asking questions. Do you think you're watching relevant? Do you think it's going to have the right impact on your eyes? You know, eyesight. Do you think, I think we had enough. Don't you think you had enough for the day? keep asking her questions till she gets convinced and switches off the TV herself
Right.
or leaves the phone.
That's how they become.
खींचोगे तो वो चीज़ हमसे भी कोई चीज़ खींचता है तो वी
वो
फील
हमसे हमें
ऑफेंडेड.
इमिटेट तो करते फिर वो हमसे भी खींचते. So yeah. Shavi, I think it was, you know, insightful. मतलब जो लोग देखेंगे उनके लिए होगा, मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंसाइटफुल था. आई थिंक दिस सो मेनी थिंग्स आई थिंक आई विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट वर्किंग अपॉन. एंड येस, मेरे बच्चे द वेरी फ्लुएंट इन हिंदी एंड दे ट्राई कि नहीं, बिकॉज दे नो द नीड ऑफ इट. बट नाउ आई नो लिटिल छोटी छोटी ट्रिक्स विच विल यू नो प्रॉम्प्ट देम मोर कि वो और उसको फ्लुएंटली बोले. सो I think there's a lot to learn from today's, and beautiful. I think the whole episode, you know, it came out to be like from your own journey, which wasn't a simple thing, and from being a mom to the working mom, and then proving it out to the world, taking up your weakness, you know, आपका मजाक जिस चीज़ का उड़ाया उसी चीज़ को अपनी strength बना लिया.
Exactly.
So it is beautiful in that way, you know.
Yeah, I just poured my heart out, and that's what I genuinely feel from my heart.
Yeah.
That this is how parenting should be. This is how teaching should be.
Yeah.
The teachers also need to change the methodology.
Yeah.
And how the young mind needs to be handled. So it's what I've experienced in my life.
Of course.
It's everything that I've talked out of not my education. It's through my experience.
Of course. So I think it's an honor that you came here, and जो आपने आज discuss किया है, I think it is a lot to learn from, you know, and it's like, thank you so much. I really do not have these, you know, words that would suffice the whole thing, because it's much more than that, honestly.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about learning English fluently, it's learning life for me in this
Yes,
particular thing.
yes.
It's learning a lot of more things when you feel, you know, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, you know, I don't think, you know, मेरे को situation नहीं allow कर रहा है. You've broken all those shackles, you know, all those mindsets.
Create
which-
your own world around you. कितनी देर victim card play करते रहेंगे ना? You have
So,
to.
yeah.
Everybody, you can't blame your circumstances and be
Yeah.
the victim of it. I think you
True.
need to just enjoy your journey.
True.
And keep working on yourself.
True.
And understand the human emotions properly. So I also felt it was a great interaction that we had, and I could express myself so well in front of you. I think you provided the right kind of comfort that I needed to pour
you.
my heart out. So it was a lovely opportunity. I loved being here. Thank you for
Thank
the
you
invite.
so much, and hope you all love it too. And do let us know in the comments or any questions you have. I'm sure she would love to see your comments, and we'll make her ki please, and she'll reply to your things as well. So
Yeah.
thank you so much.